Hello, I'm Gitanjali here, QMed teacher partner residing in Panchkula. You would agree that this time human races are going through a major crisis due to COVID-19, and this needs more research-oriented minds just to start thinking about how to develop antidotes, medicines, vaccines to remove this virus. So, what does it all need? It needs basically innovation. And beyond innovating for the future, today's children need to make smart logical decisions. They have to develop their critical observation skills. And all these skills can be developed in QMath program. I tell you honestly that this is the best opportunity for your children to utilize their time and to develop these skills through the QMath program. QMath program makes your child thinking outside of the box, a valuable ability that a child needs to make success in the all-driven future. The best way is to join QMath, where math is treated as a life skill more than as a subject. And QMath program ensures that every child has an enriching learning experience. I love to interact with children, and I personally believe that every child has infinite potential. And as a QMath teacher partner, it becomes my duty to explore that unlimited potential, and I do that with the help of QMath. I'm glad to offer you my services from grade 1 to grade 8, offline as well as online. Please give me an opportunity to create value in your child's life as well as in society for your kids along with yours as a parent. Thanks for your time.